Hey everyone, I'm back at the Broder Farm community here in Stockbridge. Today we're going to look at some townhomes. I have behind me an end unit, the Maywood 3 plan that I'm going to show you. It's a model, so you get to see it staged. This community, again, is in Stockbridge. It's in the Broder Farm community. And they have 2 more buildings that they're going to build, so these are going very fast. If you're interested in this model or the Broder Farm community, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.